Okay, we determined that the blues has its own elements that will basically make it sound like the blues. Amongst those things was the blues scale, and that the fact that the blues scale had different altered notes from the major scale and so on. But another important element to the blues is having seventh chords. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to do seventh chords. I've already written out the C major scale up here. We'll use C major as our sample key here, and I've numbered the notes just in case that helps you. And so there are 3 different seventh chords you need to know for the 12-bar blues pattern. One of them is a 1-7, and so the 1-7 chord is just a 7th chord based on the first note of the scale. So if you already know how to do your triad in C major, you are pretty much halfway there, or more than halfway, because here are the 3 notes, the 1, the 3, and the 5 of that scale. And then I'm going to add the 7th note right on top. But the trick is that I have to lower that 7th to make it sound like that blues 7th chord. And so I have to lower it. It's a B natural as it is, and to lower a natural note, you need to put a flat in front of it. So there's my 1-7. The other chord in the blues, or the 12-bar blues pattern, is the 4-7 chord. So to make the 4-7 chord, I need to start on the 4th note of this scale and make my triad. And then I need to add the 7th note on top of that 4th note. So it's counting from that bottom F, it's going to be the next space up there. And guess what? You have to lower that top note again. So in the C major scale, that top note, E, is natural. So I'm going to put a flat to lower it. And lastly, I need to have a 5-7 chord, and that will be the 3rd type of chord I need for the 12-bar blues. So I'm going to start on the 5th note of C major, which is G, make my triad, add the top note, and here's the clincher. This time I don't need to lower the note. I could give you a whole long explanation as to why you don't need to, but for now, just understand that you don't need to lower the top note, meaning the 7th note on the 5th chord in the 12-bar blues. So that's it for now.